Hello, friends. Today I'll be talking about a no confidence motion against Justin Trudeau, which is online as a petition. There's some 19,000 odd people have signed. It's not a new one, it's an ongoing one, some time old, but it's gaining some momentum now, and more people are signing. Whether it has any real teeth or not, we don't know. I have signed it today. I will be separately also writing to all the MPs to this end. But anyway, I thought I'll talk about this one and show it to you all guys if anybody else wants to sign in to the petition. This is a vote of no confidence against Justin Trudeau and his Liberal government. It starts as We the People, and the subject is vote of no confidence. The target of the petition is the Governor General of Canada and all the federal MPs and provincial members of the Legislative Assembly. Region is Canada, and the text is whether it was his inaction against Bill C-51 or the fact that he appointed his cabinet based on gender instead of getting the best people for the job, Justin Trudeau has lost the confidence of a large percentage of Canadians. Maybe it was his penchant for photo ops at every parade he could manage to attend, or how he embarrassed us on the world stage playing dress up with the infamous India trip. It could be the $10 million payout to a convicted terrorist, or it could be the fact that ISIS fighters are being welcomed into Canada without consequence that disillusioned us. It could be our financial dealings with authoritarian foreign regimes that irks us Canadians, or perhaps the loss of our sovereignty through the global compact on migration is the pain we feel most keenly. No matter your reason, one thing is clear: Justin Trudeau has failed Canada and her people. On this, we can all agree. Share this far and wide. Share with your MPs and even with your MPPs. Although provincial politicians have no say in federal matters, their signature as citizens will carry great weight. Share with your local media, spread the word. This is how we create change. Votes of no confidence are how we oust politicians. Usually it is other politicians that try to take down an opposing party, but let's make history and do it with the people of Canada. With enough signatures and exposures, this cannot be ignored. Comments will be disabled on this petition to prevent hateful, vulgar, or violent rhetoric coming from international trolls in an effort to discredit our cause and make us appear to be something we are not. We are unhappy Canadians voters who are wanting a peaceful change in our government, nothing more. This is for Canadian citizens only. Please, though we are thankful for support of our international friends. This is the preamble addressed to you and me, those who want to sign the petition. This is not addressed to the Governor General. Now, the text of the petition itself. We, the undersigned, call upon Governor General of Canada to dissolve Parliament and call a federal election. We, the undersigned, further demand that Justin Trudeau step down as Prime Minister and leader of the federal Liberal Party. We, the undersigned, have lost confidence in him as Canada's Prime Minister, and we feel he no longer has the best interest of Canadians in his heart. Our personal reason for coming to this conclusion are myriad. But the bottom line is indisputable. We, the people, are casting votes of no confidence against the Justin Trudeau Liberal government and demand an immediate federal election to replace him. That is the text. Now think about it, people, and if you all agree, do go there and sign in. That's it for me now. Bye.